Now, what we're about to show you is something truly exciting: our glow-in-the-dark tattoo paper. Start by printing your favorite design. Then place the transfer film over it and carefully cut it out. Wet the back of the paper and press it onto your arm. Then peel away the backing paper. But here's where the magic happens. As soon as the lights go down, your tattoo comes to life, glowing bright and vivid in the dark. It has more than just a tattoo, it has a glowing work of art that catches attention no matter the time of day. Watch as your design glows, creating an unforgettable impression even in the darkest of rooms.